Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the OGX Nourishing Coconut Milk Conditioner. Embrace the power of coconut milk. Pamper your hair with the nourishing touch of coconut milk and reveal your most beautiful, healthy looking hair yet. This conditioner penetrates deeply to moisturize and nourish your hair from the inside out. Say goodbye to dryness and hello to soft, silky strands. Blended with egg white proteins, OGX Nourishing Coconut Milk Conditioner helps to strengthen and repair your hair, reducing breakage and split ends. Enriched with natural coconut oils, this conditioner is free from harsh chemicals and sulfates, making it gentle yet effective for all hair types, including color-treated hair. So how do you use it? After shampooing, apply a generous amount, focusing on the ends. Leave it in for 3 to 5 minutes to allow the rich ingredients to work their magic. Then rinse thoroughly. For best results, use with OGX Nourishing Coconut Milk Shampoo. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.